Hi, this is Melissa. I hope you all are doing okay and I hope you are having a wonderful day. It is a blessing to share with you. Thank you for listening. These are interesting times. If you take in any type of media, you will know that there's a lot going on and it is probably affecting you and those you know. Even if you don't take in any type of media, you probably feel that there's a lot going on. Every time you go to the grocery store, you feel it when you see the new prices and when you check out. You feel it when you pull up to the gas tank to top off and see the new price and your new total. You feel it when you go out to eat a meal that you and your family enjoyed a year ago and it has nearly doubled in price. It is easy to feel bombarded with difficulty and to feel overwhelmed when you take in everything that is going on and how it is affecting you and yours. But how can you still feel good? We can encourage each other. The Bible says in 1 Thessalonians 5:11, so continue encouraging each other and building each other up, just like you are already doing. I have a friend that I have known since I was 12. We text each other something encouraging just about every day, but we only talk every few months, and that's okay. After talking recently, she followed up with a text telling me that I can call her anytime. It was encouraging to me to be reminded that I can call her anytime. You can encourage someone with a text, an email, a phone call, and a visit. You can encourage someone sometimes just by listening to them, really listening to them. I emphasize that because I have a habit of thinking about what I'm going to say next instead of really listening. I'm working on that. I have found that when I help others feel better, I feel better. But isn't it just like God to do that? His word says we reap what we sow. And don't forget to encourage yourself. The Bible says in 1 Samuel 36, and David was greatly distressed, for the people spake of stoning him, because the soul of all the people was grieved, every man for his sons and for his daughters. But David encouraged himself in the Lord his God. How can you encourage yourself? Spend some time outside. Nature is good for us. Write down what you're thankful for. I find that I have at least one new thing to be thankful for every day. Work out. It's good for you and it makes you feel good. Get into the Bible, whether you read it or have it read to you. Touch base with family and friends. That's good for them and it's good for you. Prepare. Being prepared can help reduce anxiety. Grow what you can. Stock up on what you can and trust God to do the rest. And let's keep encouraging each other. All right, go on, be blessed, and feel good today. Bye.